In this video, I'll detail how to set photo on wallpaper in iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to use your photo as your iPhone wallpaper, instead of using a random wallpaper or instead of using any of the built-in wallpaper on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily choose your preferred photo and set it as your iPhone wallpaper. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to set photo as wallpaper on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. And on the settings page, you need to scroll down. Keep scrolling now to get to wallpaper and click on that. Now, once you selected wallpaper, you're going to see your current wallpaper here and some other wallpapers that you have used. Now, you need to create a new wallpaper by clicking on Add New Wallpaper or swipe the end and click on this plus icon to add new wallpaper. Then, while on the wallpaper page, you can just customize the current wallpaper or use a different wallpaper. So here, I'm going to customize my current wallpaper by clicking on my home wallpaper, which is going to be my photo wallpaper. Then once you selected that, this is what you're going to see. And on this page, you have a few options available. You have the color, the gradient, and photo. Then go ahead and click on photo. Now, once you selected photo, this is going to load your photo on your iPhone. Now click on all to see all photos. Once you selected all, this is going to reveal all your photos on your iPhone. Now scroll to the photo you want to use as your wallpaper. Once you selected the photo like this, then you're going to see the photo pops like this. So you can swipe to change the size, as it is, or you want to use natural. Then just pinch to crop like this. Once that is perfect, go ahead and click on the done button at the top right. Then you see settings. Then you're going to see the wallpaper like this. Go ahead and click on blur. This is going to blur the wallpaper or disable blur. So that's going to blur the wallpaper, make the wallpaper visible on your iPhone home screen. Click on done. Then hang on for the current wallpaper to set. And once that is done, exit the page. Then you're going to see your photo on your wallpaper. So that is basically how to set photo as wallpaper in iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.